I done my graduation in the stream of electrical engineering. I passed out in the year of 2024. I worked as a O&M engineer. So that's how I started my journey in networking.
Did you face any challenges?
From electrical background to networking, it's really a great challenge me to understand the thing. I used ChatGPT for learning. I didn't clear in my first attempt. We got really demotivated.
How was your experience?
How to answer for a question. I will get some real world examples. If you want to do it means you can do.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory, where our students join us to share their success story. And today we are joined by Legasri to share her success story. So let's hear it from her itself. So first of all, congratulations for your placement and thank you for joining us today.
Yeah.
People are so excited to know about your journey. So can you tell us where you are from and what was your education background?
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Legasri. I'm from Tamil Nadu. So I done my graduation in the stream of electrical engineering. I passed out in the year of 2024. Then I got on-campus placement. Then I worked as a O&M engineer in Indus Towers. So so how did I get interest in networking means? Like there I collaborated with NOC teams. So then I got to know about networking while working with them. So that's how I started my journey in networking.
That's great. So from electrical engineering to networking, you are into.
Yeah.
So why network as home?
I got interested while working there itself. So then I started to search about networking courses. Then I done some research on YouTube's which is the best institute to start my career in networking. Then I asked one of my friend. So she done a course here. So she recommended me to join Networkers Home. Then I joined here.
That's great. How was your experience coming here?
I joined in the month of December in 2024. So I enrolled here for CCNA security. So Amit sir guided me to take that course. Then I enrolled CCNA security. Then I started CCNA from Jatin sir. Then moving forward, I joined CCNP switching with Pankaj sir and routing with Pankaj sir. Then I moved for the security modules. I started ASA with Jatin sir, then VPN with Ajay sir, and Palo Alto Nikon sir, WSA ESA with Susil sir.
So how was your experience with the trainers?
Yeah, it was really a great experience because whenever I'm facing any issues while doing a lab also, so if I face any issues while troubleshooting, doing in lab practices, whenever I ping them, they used me to resolve that things. So it was a great experience with the trainer.
That's
also.
really nice. So when you came here, you came in from a different background.
Yeah, yes.
How was the environment for you?
So moving from Tamil Nadu to Karnataka, Bangalore, it was really a great journey for me. After moving from there to here, I got so many friends in different states and all. So I got to know about their cultures also. It was really a great journey for me.
Coming to your technical modules, right? As you mentioned, you studied CCNA, CCNP, then you went to Cybersecurity module. Did you face any challenges? And if you faced, how did you overcome those challenges?
Yeah, I actually, I'm from different background. Even I don't have papers in networking also in my electrical engineering. So it really a challenging for me to understood the CCNA part. I used to watch the videos 2 times. Then only I got to understand how they are working.
So means you revise the content again and again.
Again and again. From electrical background to networking, it's really a great challenge me to understand the thing. So I used to first I will sit in the class and I will listen the trainer words. Then after going to my home, I used to I will get the pre-recorded session from the trainers and I will revise that. And revise that again and again. Then I used to do hands-on practice in simulation tools also. Then only I got to understand the things.
That's really nice. Coming to your interview preparation, How did you prepare for the interviews?
So I started my interview preparation after my routing and switching modules itself. So I joined Vishal sir interview preparation class, and he taught how to answer for a question, and how they will ask questions and scenario type of questions also. So I used to attend interview preparation classes in the evening.
Apart from the interview prep classes, anything else you took help from, maybe from some other platforms? Because so many people are watching you right now.
Mostly I use ChatGPT for learning. So I if I don't know any topics, means I used to search on ChatGPT first I will study if I am taking any topics, means what does that topic mean and why it is used for and how it will work, and I will get some real world examples also from the ChatGPT itself.
It's really nice you're using ongoing technology and AI for your learning purpose. That's really nice. Now coming to your interview part, so did you attend the mock interviews?
Yeah.
How was your experience?
Actually, I didn't clear in my first attempt. Then I first I gave for till CCNP only. I didn't clear. Then after a month, I gave till CCNP. I cleared that. Then I gave my CCIE part. That also I cleared. So I cleared mock 3 times.
That's great. Initially or sometimes what happens that students, they will give a mock interview, and if they do not clear it, they get demotivated.
Yeah.
How did you keep yourself motivated?
Yeah, actually, while attending mock, we were 3 friends. We attended mock together only. One of my friend cleared mock interview on the day itself, and me and my friend didn't clear. So we got really demotivated, and we asked him how you clear, how you prepare, how you answer, like that. We asked him, and he suggested me to study in this way. He shared me the strategy what he follows. Then I followed him. Then I cleared.
Can you share that part of the strategy with the people who are watching?
Yeah, that's what I told. So if we are taking some topic, means what, why, how, we have to prepare for these 3 types of questions. Then only we can answer.
That's really important if you understand what is the concept, why it is used, and
how it
where
will
it is
work.
used.
And in interviews also, they don't ask a definition. So they asked me to say some real world scenarios and how you worked, like that they will ask. So we have to prepare for that also.
Can you tell us more about the interview process you went through?
So actually I got call from Progress. So there were 3 rounds. So first I attended my communication round. I cleared. Then technical and HR, they both conducted on that same day itself. I interviewed at that office itself. They asked me some real world scenario questions and how you will troubleshoot the issues, and some definitions also. And after that, I moved forward for the HR interview. There they asked me some behavioral plus situational questions. That's it.
That can be a pretty much good advice for the people who are watching. So how was your overall experience with Networkers Home?
Yeah, it was really a great experience. Like when I enrolled till my placement, NH supported me a lot. Even in placements, Clara ma'am supported me. She used to forward my resumes to various companies, and Amit sir, he advised me when I rejected in some of the interviews, don't get vexed, don't go for a depression. He advised me and he motivated me, sir.
Since you have been placed and you are from a different background, you're not from the IT background, right? And so many people are there who are facing the similar kind of situation. So what would you suggest to the people who are from a different background, who want to pursue a career in the IT, or your fellow students?
Pursuing a networking course, it is not important you should be from a computer or IT background. If you want to do it, means you can do.
Any last words for your trainers and team Networkers Home?
Thank you, Networkers Home team, for making my journey easy. Thank you.
So it was really nice talking to you. Congratulations once again on your placement, and on behalf of entire Networkers Home team, I wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.
So guys, this was another episode of Voices of Victory. I hope now you're motivated and full of energy. I'll see you guys in another episode. Good day. Take care.